Struggling to sell GoHighLevel services? It's all about packaging your offers so clients see the value instantly. Let me break it down. Start with the main thing clients need, like lead generation, booking automation, or CRM setup. This becomes the foundation of your package. Add supporting automations like nurture sequences, follow-up texts, or call tracking. These boost results and make your offer look complete. Build at least 3 levels: basic, pro, and premium. This gives clients options and makes the higher packages feels like a no-brainer. When you pitch, don't just list features. Show how your system saves time and generates more sales. That's what closes deals. And that's how you package services in GoHighLevel. Clear, structured, and irresistible to clients. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this.